Cognitive psychology is a field of study that focuses on how people's mental processes work. This includes how we learn new information, how we think, how we remember, and how we understand the world around us. Researchers in this field are interested in understanding how our brains process information from the environment, and how that information affects our behavior and decision-making. They also look at how our thoughts and beliefs can shape our perception of the world and influence our actions. By studying cognitive psychology, we can gain a better understanding of how our minds work and why we do the things we do. This knowledge can be used to develop better teaching methods, improve memory and cognitive functioning, and even help people overcome mental health challenges.